Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to change the screen timeout on your Galaxy Z Flip 5. This is a handy feature that allows you to control how long your phone's screen stays on before it automatically turns off. So let's get started. First, tap on the gear icon from the home screen to launch the Settings app. Once you're in the Settings menu, tap on Display. Next, you'll see an option called Screen Timeout. Tap on it. Here you can select a timeout duration from 15 seconds to 10 minutes. Simply tap to mark your preferred timeout duration. But that's not all. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 also has a cool feature that keeps the screen on while you're looking at it. It uses the front camera to detect your face. To enable this, just toggle on the option. Otherwise, keep the switch off. And that's it. You've successfully changed the screen timeout on your Galaxy Z Flip 5. Remember, managing your screen timeout can help save battery life and prevent unnecessary screen usage. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. See you in the next video.